guess it's Stone Mountain, Lithonia, coming out of Stone Mountain. Anyway, it's Ponce on the other side of Stone Mountain. We've just come through Stone Mountain. We've started uploading the second video. We'll have to edit and get this Stone Mountain video processed and get it started uploading. We're heading down Rockbridge Road, and we'll be passing through Pine Lake, Georgia. And Pine Lake is also known very notoriously for greeting people with a nice couple of $100 welcome to Pine Lake. We will check if the Ingalls is open, if they still have breakfast. They may have some breakfast left over. We had a little breakfast ourselves. We didn't have much. We had some grits and toast and avocados. I cannot tell you how many houses I did over here. We've renovated. You'd find all kind of things in these houses. Found a car one time, a nice car, that when I called the DeKalb County Police, they asked me, "Have you touched that car?" I said, "No, ma'am." She said, "Do not," I gave her the tag. She said, "Do not touch that car. We will be there shortly." So, yeah, somebody had it stashed in the garage there at one of these vacant houses. I have got stories of this area over here renovating these houses, folks. I need to find someone that can write a book. I've got a lot of pictures and video. I wasn't using high definition at the time. That's a shame, but we were taking so many pictures. I was taking 400 or 500 pictures a day of these houses, pictures and video, and we were just using 720 resolution. Yeah, a house right up here on the left, there was a Lincoln Continental in it. A bunch of interesting, right up there, a bunch of interesting properties along here, folks. I had one up here that we just replaced the water heater, and like I said, people would watch. They would wait until you get just about finished when they see the appliances go in or whatever, and they'd come in and rip your appliances out, steal everything you've been doing, light fixtures, everything. And we were just about finished. There's a house right there on the left. That was it, right there on the left. That's for the heck of it. Let's turn around and go back and let you see that house. We might be able to get there looping around. No, that was a dead-end cul-de-sac, wasn't it? Well, we did one right down here too, but they had cut the water heater loose, and I think going to come back and get it that night or whatever. Now, okay, this house right up here on the left, right here on the left. I got in that house right there that we're coming up to, right there on the left, that 446. There was all kind of drug paraphernalia, people sleeping in there, drug gangs. You know, this area over here that job was the most interesting job I have ever had. Interesting work. We'd change the locks, lock everybody out, and they'd come back and kick the door in. I've got one house up here off South Harrison that we paid them $3,500. Give us the keys and move out. We paid them $3,500. They gave us the keys. They burnt the house down. I think that lot is still sitting there vacant. But going back to this house up here, they had cut the water heater loose, and I think they were going to come back and get it. So I called the DeKalb County Police, and I was wearing a ragged pair of pants. My wallet was about to fall. I had a ragged hole in the back pocket. My wallet was about to fall out. He came in and he said, "You about to lose your wallet?" And I said, "Don't worry about it." I said, "That's a trick wallet." And he said, "What do you mean?" I said, "There's nothing in that wallet but debt. It's loaded with debt." I said, "If they grab that thing, it will suck all the money they have out of any account they've got. And he just laughed. He said, man, you ain't right. But that house, I'll point it out to you right there. Nice looking little house. I did a good job, didn't I? Right there, that little house right there is where they were going to steal that water heater out from that basement. We may ride by that lot and see if it's still vacant, the people that burnt the house down. Where they burn it down, that lot, we need to go turn right here. We could do that. We could turn right, go down, then catch Memorial Drive, go back into town. All the lights are on. They're not open. I don't guess we'll go by that lot. We'll just stay on Rock Bridge. I have stories. Yeah, the company told us, company policy, do not carry. Wink, wink. All of us carried. I had one that the contractor was there, and this guy came in and asked him, said, yeah, how about loaning me $5? And he said, no, I don't have $5. Okay, we're coming into Pine Lake. We just come into Pine Lake city limits. Slow down. And the guy says, no, I need $5 really bad. Don't loan me $5. And he said, no, I ain't got $5 to loan you. And the guy told him, no, you don't understand. You're going to give me $5. And the contractor just so happened to have his in his back waistband and pulled it out. And he said, no, you don't understand. I'm not giving you $5. And he said, the guy said, oh no, man, I don't, I'm just joking. Look at the car lot here. They got them fenced off. It's a wonder they don't have Continental wire on the top. Well, houses all up and down through here, we did. Cross over Memorial Drive, Susan Creek down here on the bottom, on the left. No, not here, on the next one. Next hill. My old real estate partner, right there somewhere, right there on the left. She lives right there. I don't know if she still lives there or not. Her and her husband were both not in the best of health. I hope they're still doing well, but I don't know. Haven't checked on them in years. Yeah, my partner at Love Realty and then at Buckhead Brokers, Caldwell Banker. Yeah, Susan Creek's right down here, and this road, or was it that one? No, not that one. Or it may have been that one, or this next one. We did another very interesting house right down there on the left. It's down that road right there. Tell you what, some of these houses, I've got video of, several of them on my YouTube site. You need to check them out. Crossing over Susan Creek, coming up on Memorial Drive. construction site with a Jiffy John that is not fenced off. Stories of the old A&P right there on the right, the Advanced Auto Parts now. That used to be an A&P. We had a checker killed there one morning. I was working at Belvedere A&P up there, or whatever you want to call it, Columbia Village, whatever it was. Anyway, we got news that the fellow put a gun in her face, told her to give him the money. She said no, pushed the gun away. He put the gun back in her head and shot her, killed her, right there on the right. That would have been somewhere between 71 and 74. Loud piece of junk. Last time I saw Wolfman and Donna. This was a Steak and Shake down here on the right, that blue top building. And saw Wolfman driving his Lincoln Town Car. That used to be a Burger King right there. Yeah, this blue top building was a Steak and Shake. Wolfman Jack, or not Wolfman Jack, but Wolfman and Donna. He was coming out of there. Coming up on the old DeKalb County Jail, and I call it the new DeKalb County Jail, although it's not new anymore. That new jail looks ominous, doesn't it? I mean, it's just got that ominous look. Crossing over 285, we will now be in ITP, inside the perimeter. Are we going to go through Avondale? We've been through Avondale so many times. I don't think we'll go through Avondale today. Over to the right was Treasure Island. My wife worked there for years. We had a 61 Chevrolet stolen out of there. We got it ready for the winter. I went part-time at A&P and went back to school full-time. I was going to go into oceanography and marine biology. And she came out of there one afternoon. The car was stolen. It was gone. I had to quit school, go back to work full-time up here at the A&P Tea Company. Never got back in school. We only had liability insurance, no theft. It was an older car. So, life happens. Look at all this new stuff. Both sides of the road. Both sides of the road. Where are these people coming from? We're not home growing them. The United States birth rate is at a non-replaceable level. So I know why the borders have been open for so long. They need people to support the government. Both sides of the road, all this new stuff. Now leasing. I guess they've got elevators that go up to those places. Coming up on Covenant Highway, US 278, Georgia 12. 278 will go all the way over into Alabama to the right, and all the way over to Augusta or below, right in that area to the left. And we've got a lot of US 278 video. I don't know that we have all of it, but I can certainly say with certainty that we have most of it. Maybe not both ways, but one way or the other, we've got most of US 78. I mean US 278, Georgia 12. Now this is going to be Georgia 10, Memorial Drive. 78 went with Stone Mountain Freeway. I think 78 used to come through here, but I don't know for sure. Some old-time DeKalbites, Decatorites, let me know. Did 78 used to come here until Stone Mountain Freeway, and then it went and connected with Scott Boulevard? Turn in. We won't stop and get video because we've got several videos of this cemetery that was here in the middle of the shopping, not in the middle of the shopping center, but in the shopping center, Old Columbia Mall shopping center, Belvedere, whatever. But if Walmart's open, we will go in, maybe find a snack for ourselves, and you know that cemetery is right up there on the right. Be a hickory house right here. Of course, A&P up here on the hill. Green Brothers Nursery was up there on the left there too. Walmart is not open, folks. So, and for you Blue Devils, we'll swing back around there and let you see Death Valley. For you, all you Blue Devils. I don't know if you can see it over there, but anyway, that was called Death Valley. We came over here in 1963 and put a dagger in their hearts. 7-6, cold, drizzly, rainy night. Old Avondale people will remember that. I think one of our best builders from when we were doing subcontract work years ago, Ed Pritchett, was the quarterback for that Avondale team. Okay, we're going to be looking for a Jiffy Johnny construction site. Jiffy Johnny. Let's go ahead and turn this one off. This one is, what, 18, 20 minutes? Turn this one off. We'll see how far the other one's gotten uploaded. It may be uploaded. If it is, we'll switch back to the S22 Ultra. This is Columbia Drive. It'll take you right into Decatur, to the right, to the left. It'll go over, and I think they finally extended it all the way over to 155 Candler Road.